Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com. Today we're going to show you a very important piece of your car. That's right, the catalytic converter. Ooh, I hate them. Come on back here and let's see. Obviously a part of the exhaust system. What happens is the exhaust system runs through here. These two boxes are filled with precious metals. That's why they're cutting them off and stealing them from car lots. And what they do is they collect all those hard metals that are going through the exhaust system. So, catalytic converters. This car has two, most cars have one. With the catalytic converters come oxygen sensors. Usually a pre-catalytic converter oxygen sensor and a post-catalytic converter oxygen sensor. So you'll have one on either side of the catalytic converter. These oxygen sensors are easy to take out. You know, they're pretty simple. They unplug from behind the car or right underneath here sometimes. And they just screw out 1.5 turns. I like to put some anti-seize on them before I put them back in, and you'll know why when you try to take these off. When I put anti-seize on them, the next guy who comes along is gonna have a good time taking them out. It's gonna be a lot easier. But these are your cats, these are your oxygen sensors, and they're fairly simple to get at, and I know you can do it. Look up some instructional videos, it'll help a lot. A hoist helps a lot.
The part you need.